Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc. That is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of this one. So you got like this. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. And now we go to second derivative of yc. That is about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So this one I will put in here, and this one I will put in here. Next, e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one we have lambda equals to number 0 and lambda equals to negative number 3. And now we got about yc. We have c number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So because we have number 0, so I will put this one go in here. And we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. So this one we have number 1. Now we go to particular solutions. So in this one we have number 3. That means this one in here should be about number 1. So first derivative of yb, that is about number 1, because when we do second derivative of this one, you got number 0, but this one equals to number 1. So number 3 and number 3 for the both sides, they will have same. Later that we need to do the integration of yb. So we got about yb in here, and that is about s plus c. So this one, that is about the constant. So we have another constant in here. So when we combine yc and yb, we have y equals to yc plus yb. So we have this one, and we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.